Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the MOVA V50 Ultra robot that keeps getting stuck. If it gets stuck in one certain area, then you may want to either remove an obstacle that it gets stuck on or add a no-go zone so the robot doesn't go there. For that, you can open the app, then click on map editing button and set a no-go zone. Then you can set either a virtual wall, which the robot will not be able to cross, or instead of that, you can set a no-go zone, which the robot will not enter. You can rotate it, you can move it, put it somewhere, the robot won't go there. Now, if that didn't help, if the robot gets stuck too frequently, maybe that's the sensor's fault. So you should clean the sensors frequently, every 30 hours of tasks performed in total. It actually tells you in the app, so I'll show you that. Once you click on three dots in the top right corner, you'll find the accessory usage once you scroll down, and then you'll find sensors maintenance, and if it says you should maintain it now, then you should do it. And once you finish it, you should click on clean restore now, but first let's clean them. So to do it, you'll need to use a microfiber cloth and clean the sensor on the front, which is the most important, the camera here, but on the sides of the camera there are IR sensors which should also be cleaned. Then on the right side of the robot there's another IR sensor which should be cleaned with a microfiber cloth. And on the back of the robot there's this sensor, and there are charging pins that are worth cleaning, by the way. Now on the bottom of the robot you'll find additional 4 sensors. On sides of the wheels there are 2 sensors, one per side. These are clip sensors and they're very important to prevent your robot from falling down. And then here on both sides of the omnidirectional wheel there are also 2 black clip sensors which should also get cleaned, and that should prevent your robot from getting stuck. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.